Hello, I'm BJ at Seoul National University. In the previous video, I discussed Aleph-0 multiplied by 0 equals 0. In this video, I'll discuss C multiplied by 0. C, which is defined as the cardinality or size of the set of real numbers in the real number line of a unit length, is the number of real number points in the unit length. There may be an objection to regard C as a number. However, even though C is the cardinality or size of the set, the fact that C is a counting number cannot be eluded because C is the result of counting the number of elements in the set. Then we can prove that the cardinality of any interval 0 and r for r larger than 0 is C. The proof is as follows. There are many bijective functions from an interval 0 and 1 to an interval 0 and r. For example, x to rx for r larger than 0. Thus, any interval 0 and r has the same cardinality as a unit interval 0 and 1. The cardinality of a unit interval is C by definition. Therefore, the cardinality of any interval 0 and r is C. Then we have a corollary. Sum 1 to C, 1 multiplied by 0, which is C multiplied by 0, is larger than 0. The proof is as follows. The cardinality of any interval 0 and r larger than 0 is C. Thus, any interval 0 and r has C numbers of real numbers. Because 0 and r has C numbers of real numbers, the length of C numbers of real numbers is the length of an interval 0 and r. The length of each real number is 0 by definition. If we write in mathematical notation, the length of C numbers of real numbers is expressed like this. Sum 1 to C, 1 multiplied by 0, which is C multiplied by 0. The length of C numbers of real numbers is the length of an interval 0 and r, which is absolute value of r minus 0, which is r. And thus, sum 1 to C, 1 multiplied by 0, which is C multiplied by 0, equals r. R can be any real number larger than 0. Thus, sum 1 to C, 1 multiplied by 0, which equals C multiplied by 0, is larger than 0. Then we can have 1 over C equals 0, because if a unit length is divided by C, the resulting segments are a point which has a length of 0. Thus, 1 over C equals 0. If a unit length is divided by a point which has a length of 0, the number of segments will be C. Thus, 1 over 0 equals C. One may criticize that summing or multiplying by uncountable infinity is not defined, or how multiplication by uncountably infinite times can be done. However, corollary is just a mathematical expression of definition of C along with definition of a length of a number point. In our arithmetic, it is not possible to add zeros to make a positive real number. Thus, C is a concept that allows to create something from nothing and to annihilate something into nothing in reverse, which is against the law of conservation in physics. However, it is the very definition of C. Therefore, how baffling it may be, it has to be accepted, like there is a larger infinity. C multiplied by 0 is larger than 0. 1 over 0 equals C. 1 over C equals 0. Please send critical comments to this address. And in the next video, I'll discuss C is larger than Aleph null, and then we'll discuss 1 over Aleph null. Thank you very much.